जेके लक्ष्मी सीमेंट ने लॉन्च किया। पर्यावरण, हितैषी लाइमस्टोन कैल्साइंड क्ले सीमेंट, नई दिल्ली। भारत के अग्रणी सीमेंट निर्माताओं में से एक जेके लक्ष्मी सीमेंट लिमिटेड ने ग्रीन प्रो LC3 के लॉन्च की घोषणा की है, जो भारत के पहले कमर्शियल रूप से उपलब्ध लाइमस्टोन कैल्साइंड क्ले सीमेंट LC3 में से एक है। इस प्रोडक्ट को कम कार्बन उत्सर्जन, मजबूती में सुधार लाने तथा बड़ डीहे पैमाने के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एवं ज्यादा एक्सपोजर वाले एप्लीकेशंस में परफॉर्मेंस को बेहतर बनाने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है। ग्रीन प्रो LC3 का उत्पादन राजस्थान के सिरोही स्थित कंपनी के इंटीग्रेटेड जेकेपुरम प्लांट में किया जाएगा और 28 जनवरी 2026 से इसका कमर्शियल रोल आउट शुरू हुआ है। शुरुआती चरण में उत्तरी और पश्चिमी बाजारों में इंस्टीट्यूशनल एवं प्रोजेक्ट्स की जरूरतों पर विशेष ध्यान दिया जाएगा। भारत अपने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और शहरी विकास के अगले चरण की ओर अग्रसर है। ऐसे में आज हमारे द्वारा चुने गए
Thank you, Mr. Patara. Now I'll request our chairperson and managing director, Mrs. Vinita Ji Singhania, to please come and share her thought. Please, ma'am.
Namaskar and a very good afternoon to all of you who are here for this great occasion. First of all, I would like to, on behalf of JK Lakshmi Cement and JK organization, I would like to convey our sincere gratitude to the Embassy of Swiss Federation for continued support and encouraging, while we regret that Your Excellency, the Ambassador of Swiss Confederation up to India and Bhutan, could not be with us today. In person, we deeply value the association and guidance extended to us all our efforts towards sustainability. This association continues to inspire and strengthen our commitment to green innovation. I also would like to welcome and thank Mr. Philip Sass for joining us on this great occasion. Thank you, sir. I would like to say that today is a very, very important day for our organization by launching LC3 Green Pro Cement, a product that reflects our firm belief that industry growth and environmental responsibility must go in hand. I believe so many things have said, and all my dignitaries have said so many things about this LC3 Green Cement, so I would not like to dwell on it, but I would also very, very emphatically and with very great belief and trust that this cement will play a great role in India. As you all know, the pollutions and for the sustainability, we are all very, very minutely and very intently, we are very responsibly try to behave to lessen this pollution and other things, so that the generation which is coming forward is going to take benefit of it, because the doctors are also mentioning that the pollution and the air which is coming out, the toxic things, is playing havoc on the health of ourselves also, and also on the children. So future generation, looking at this at the future generation, we have to take small steps to say how we can do the sustainability in the long term for our India, so that everyone takes benefit of it and we have long life to live in a happiest condition. I would like to also urge here my colleagues who are sitting here as an architect and as our consumers and our customers and our very valued people here sitting, so that they start using this cement with lot of trust that this cement will help them to generate so much of wealth, health, and responsibility to create and this will be, I mean, you will be giving a lot of your good efforts to bring this country's or this emission to very low level. So I would like to urge everyone here to use this with freely and without any doubt, because lot of for a decade this so much of things have gone. There are huge dialogues, huge experiments which we are doing with the help of Tara, Swiss Embassy. They have given us an impetus that we should go ahead and do this. And finally, that day has come, and we feel very, very happy and proud that at least we have taken small step to visualize and to sustain, give the India a little bit of relief. But it depends on how we use it and what should we be doing with it. Launch is a good thing, of course,